Global debt, over $300 trillion. But can we really keep borrowing forever, or is this a ticking time bomb? Governments borrow to finance spending, infrastructure, hospitals, schools, pensions, and also to support the economy in times of crisis, like 2008 or during the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, global debt has reached record levels. The US alone has over $34 trillion in public debt. Europe, Japan, and even China are also heavily indebted. When interest rates were near zero, repaying this debt was cheap. But now, with higher rates, interest payments are skyrocketing, and huge portions of budgets are used just to service debt. If debt becomes unsustainable, countries may have to cut public services, raise taxes, or in extreme cases, default, like Argentina or Lebanon. Debt itself isn't bad, it can fuel growth, but mismanaged, it risks becoming a ticking time bomb for the global economy.